तू ही ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना, अपनी तू दिल का बता दे, चाहूं मैं या ना.
You are from Madhya Pradesh. Madhya
Mhm.
Pradesh is famous for poha jalebi. Madhya Pradesh is famous for kachori and chaat for food. How big of a foodie are you, Palak?
So yeah, but पोहे जलेबी खाने के लिए you don't have to be foodie.
एक बात बताइए, घर पे अभी सब एशिया कप 2024 तो फॉलो कर रहे होंगे.
Yes.
Spill the beans on CNN News 18 with me, Sakshi Singh Litoria. Today I've got a very beautiful guest. She's a philanthropist, she's a musician, and what not. She's someone whose story is going to inspire not only me, but all of us. Dr. Palak Muchal, welcome to our show. Thank you so much for speaking to us, Palak.
Thank you so much.
So, how has the journey been? First, let's talk about the initiative that you have taken for the society. You took it 24 years ago, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, that's correct.
How did it start? When did you first initially realize that you should give something to the society as well?
So I realized this very early on in my journey as a human being that I'm here for a purpose. I experienced the gift of God in different forms. Most importantly, a sensitive heart is something that I can call as the biggest gift that I've received from God. And as a kid, I would be very moved by seeing certain incidents around me, to see people who were less privileged than me. I would always feel restless about not being able to do anything about it. And then I got the blessing of singing from God, and then I realized that this blessing is not just a hobby, or it's not just meant for a career. You can actually change lives, you can make differences, you can save lives using this. And that realization changed my life, and that's how I started doing different kind of activities, charitable activities. It all started with Kargil War, which happened when I was 6 years old, and my mom told me about it. And I went from shop to shop telling all the shopkeeper uncle कि मैं आपको एमिरी वतन के लोगों सुनाती हूँ, उसके बदले प्लीज कारगिल soldiers के लिए डोनेशन दीजिए. And I managed to collect 25,000 in the first initiative, such initiative in my life, and it was a big thing for me. And that was a very important moment in my life, and I realized I can actually do big things using my talent. And then my mission of saving hearts started when a kid from Indore came to me for help. I helped that kid. Then many more kids started coming for help. उनकी किस्मत पे shows मिलते गए, and then the number reached 3,000 surgeries without me realizing that it's actually become the biggest mission of my life. Yeah.
Your entire family does it, right? Palash also is
Yes.
involved for
Yes.
PGMA. Please tell us more about it. How you got the entire family on board to, let's all of us work together to do something better for the society out there.
So when I decided to help Lokesh, which was the first kid who approached my parents for help, Palash came to me and he told me कि दीदी मैं तेरे साथ हूँ, तू अकेली नहीं है और हम साथ में लोकेश को बचाएंगे. And we both decided to make a stage out of a trolley. And we stood there on the trolley, started singing, thinking कि हम ऐसे 3-4 जगह गाएंगे and तब शायद इतने पैसे इकट्ठे हो पाए. But in the first so-called road show concert itself, 55,000 रुपए इकट्ठे हो गए. And then Dr. Devi Shetty came on board saying कि वो surgery free में कर देंगे. Then पहले बच्चे की surgery free में हो गई. फिर और पहले दिन 7 बच्चे और मदद मांगने के लिए आ गए. Then we realized that the mission was growing because more and more people were coming for help. And then my mom came in to join hands with me to manage my mission, so to say. She started meeting the parents. She started uh, deciding the waiting list, who should be included in the waiting list. So वही मिलकर पेरेंट्स से डिसाइड करती है कि कौन ज़रूरतमंद है. इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सी कि जो मदद है वो नीडी पर्सन के पास ही जाए. Then I speak to the doctors. There are so many hospitals across the country जहाँ से मुझे concession मिलता है. Discounted rates पे surgeries हो जाती है मेरे बच्चों की. So now it's like my papa is also very supportive. So it's like the whole family running the mission now. You rightly said that,
How
yeah.
sweet. And in fact, you mentioned initially that, your journey began with Kargil War. And on 26th of July only, we are going to celebrate the Kargil Vijay Divas. So it's been
Yes.
so many years of you, and you have also played a very crucial part in that journey. Apart from that, if I could ask you a little bit about your backstory, you are from Madhya Pradesh. Madhya
Mm-hmm.
Pradesh is famous for poha jalebi. Madhya Pradesh is famous for kachori and chaat for food. How big of a foodie are you, Palak?
Honestly speaking, I wasn't a foodie until I got married. And then me and my husband explored our new passion for food together. So yeah, but pohe jalebi khane ke liye you don't have to be foodie.
Definitely. And if I were to talk about your Bollywood journey so far, because
Hmm.
before Bollywood also you used to sing, right? Who do you think is the most crucial part of your journey in Bollywood so far?
It'll be very unfair to pick up a few names also because there have been so many people in the industry itself who have supported me immensely. In fact, I consider myself to be one of the luckiest girl in the world. When I came to Mumbai, honestly, I had a demo CD prepared. I was all prepared to do all sorts of struggle that was required for me to get a break in Bollywood because I decided to become a playback singer when I was 4. And ever since then, my training was also happening in the same direction. But when I came here, the first person I met with was Salman Khan sir, and
Hmm.
in the first meeting itself, he told me that you're going to sing for my film. He fulfilled his promise, not only for first film, but he recommended my names to various producers, directors. Then I got Ashiki too.
Yeah.
Jeet sir and Mithun sir, they made me sing two beautiful songs in the movie, and ever since then there was no looking back. And when I see my filmography, the kind of songs that I've gotten to sing, I am immensely grateful for the composers and directors who've believed in me. So it'll be very unfair to pick up a few names because every song I feel has been a milestone in my journey.
So how does it feel to have, sung the top charters? Any song that you sing is definitely gonna come in the top chart in the top 10 of the most played song of the year.
It definitely feels surreal. What feels the most amazing is the amount of love that I receive for my songs. जैसे कि आपने कहा जब भी कोई गाना रिलीज होता है आई जस्ट होप कि पिछले गाने से ज़्यादा प्यार उसे मिले एंड हर बार इतना सारा प्यार मिलता है आई एम ट्रूली ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल.
Beautiful. Okay, Palak, but whenever we talk to any actor, we have heard about, the strict routine and a regime that they follow in their daily life. What is that one routine that you follow as a singer? Maybe avoiding the cold drinks, maybe avoiding not eating spicy food. What is that ritual that you have to follow to keep your voice in proper condition?
The most important ritual is riyaz. It's basic. As a singer, I have to practice. So I religiously practice for an hour at least every single day, except for the days when I'm recording more than two songs that I do. Then I don't eat. I eat ice cream once a year on my birthday. I
Wow.
avoid cold. I avoid cold drinks completely. I don't eat इमली की खड़ी बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें जो मैंने चखी नहीं है आज तक for my throat because I have a very I would say fragile sensitive voice. So
Oh.
there are certain restrictions, but one ritual that goes without saying, which I have to follow, is riyaz.
And on an average, in your concert, you do sing 40 to 50 songs, right?
Uh, 20 to 25 songs.
Okay, so is it
Hmm.
difficult to remember all of your songs that you have sang years ago?
Not really. Actually, how do I put it without sounding pompous? I have a good memory. So I remember songs I've never read and sung ever on stage. So yeah, I kind of remember lyrics.
Lovely. Okay, okay. This is something that we should all be taking a note of, how to sharpen our memories. Keep doing the riyas, keep doing revision. But Palak, if I were to ask you about who is your idol, because I very recently saw this clip of you performing in London for late Lata Mangeshkar ji also.
Mhm.
Apart, you have given her a tribute also. So how would you, analyze the entire journey and would say that, Lata Mangeshkar ji has played an important part in shaping you up as a singer?
Lata ji, as I've said before, I consider her Ma Saraswati ka roop, and I truly, truly worship her. I have learned Indian classical music as well, but what I've learned hearing her songs, every song sung by her is like a lesson for me. And I have learned so much from her that giving that tribute was just 0.0001% of gratitude that I could show towards her. And performing at Royal Albert Hall, where she also had performed, and giving her tribute through BBC Philharmonic with the Philharmonic Orchestra, it was one of the best experiences of my life. And the songs that I've grown up singing, learning, listening to, I was performing them on such a big stage, such a global platform. Um, it was an honor, truly. And yeah, I was very emotional because Lataji means a lot to me. Yeah.
Beautiful. And now I'm going to put you in a tough spot because you have given us Chartbusters with Arijit Singh and you have given us Chartbusters with Arman also. If you have to
Mm-hmm.
choose one for your next project, maybe who would you choose?
Uh, I wouldn't choose, but my next project is with Arijit Bhaiya. So actually, I'm going to record a song for him probably after this interview itself. So yeah, I'm not choosing him though. I don't believe in choosing. Both are dear to me, but yeah, Arijit Bhaiya is my next project with.
Also, tell us a little bit about how Palak Muchal became a Dr. Palak Muchal.
So, apart from the fact that I'm pursuing PhD in international business, I will be receiving my degree as a doctor. But I've received honorary doctorate from the Nobel University, and that is an honor. And I just thought that it's a fact that a lot of people think that I'm a doctor. In fact, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को एम्बुलेंस में लेकर आ जाते हैं टू माय बिल्डिंग सेइंग दैट प्लीज सेव आवर किड they sometimes think that I am the Dr. Palak. But I feel that, yeah, receiving this honorary degree was very, very special. And soon you're going to be calling me doctor for my studies also.
Also, Palak, I know for the fact because you shared this clip also on your social media that every kid that you help gives you a doll in return. So now, since you have saved 3,000 lives, you have 3,000 dolls in your collection.
Yes, now I have 3003 dolls in my collection for 3003 surgeries that I've sponsored. I received these dolls from people who know that I do such a collection. So, her surgery ke baad people give it to me. And I've named them also after the kids who have been operated for that particular doll. Yeah.
That's so sweet. पलक also एक बात बताइए घर पे अभी सब एशिया कप 2024 तो फॉलो कर रहे होंगे.
Yes. I assume that you're talking about Smriti.
Yes. How
I
proud
am.
are you of her?
She is amazing. She's an achiever. She works so hard for what she's achieved. I see her working hard very, very closely, and her perseverance, her patience, her dedication, her sincerity is what has brought her to this position. And I'm truly, truly proud of her. And yeah, I'm grateful for her. Yeah.
Beautiful. Palak, last but not the least, I just have to ask you, apart from the project that you are working on with Arijit Singh, where else can we watch Palak Muchal, the next big thing for you?
There are many next big things stored for this year, and I'm really very excited. I actually cannot contain my excitement for you all to hear the songs that are coming next month, next to next month. There are other projects also that I've been working on. You'll be seeing me on television as well, judging a reality show. So there's a lot happening. Yeah.
All right, and since I've already said that that's last, but I can't let you go without you singing at least two songs for us. Maybe I can give you a situation. If you are in Mumbai, it's raining a lot. If you have to dedicate any song to the Mosam, just two lines of it for us.
Okay, so I dedicate Chaho Mein Aana to Mausam because sometimes I love the rains and many a times I don't. So yeah, I'll sing the song. Hmm. तू ही ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूँ मैं या ना, अपनी तो दिल का बता दे, चाहूँ मैं या ना, इतना बता दूँ तुझको, चाहत पे अपनी मुझको, यूं तो नहीं इख्तियार, फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने, अब जो लगा हो मिलने, पूछूं तुझे एक बार, ओ, तू ही ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूँ मैं आना.
Beautiful, beautiful, Palak. Thank you so much
Thank
for speaking
you.
with us in News 18. Hope to see you really, really soon. Next time, maybe in person whenever you come to Delhi.
100%. See you very soon.